Now the next question you should see, students. Here the diagram is like this. We have to draw the pattern like this. So how it is happen? The first line 0 is coming as only single character to be printed, so 1 0 is coming. Second line as 2 digit to be printed or 2 number to be printed or 2 character to be printed, so it is printing 0 then 1. Third line it is printing 0 1 0. Hope all of you understood the pattern. Then it is printing 0 1 0 1. Suppose there has to be another one more line, so it will be 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, starts from 0 and then continue by fluctuating 1 and 0. Fine, this is our motto of doing the program. Let's go to the Visual Basic Editor to do the program. Here already the design I have done. As in question, it is given that we have to go till n number of rows. So I made here enter a number. So let's double click on the pattern button and take here dim n as integer. So n is the variable who is going to hold the number of rows. Then let's take row comma column. Fine, two variable I have taken. Now let's start first. N equal to val of which already we learned before. What for this is required? Because we are going to input a number and that number has to get stored in the variable n, so that the variable r can expand from 1 to n and step 1. Okay, as we did last time in last video. Okay, next students, what we need to do? C, then C will continue till R, the same pattern. Then we can do here next C to complete the loop, inner loop, then outer loop has to complete like this. Okay, the job is over. Now the problem is, when it is printing, it should print in a systematically order. For example, first it is printing 0, then later on it is not supposed to print 1. It's supposed to print 1. So how it will do like this? So obviously it is conditional statement, so we have to do it according to the condition based. Fine. So let's check first this much, how it is doing, how it is printing. So in this case you check, I am providing here 5 and it is printing all zeros, because we didn't specify here semicolon, as well as we didn't specify here blank print. Fine. After that let's check. Is it okay now? Check please. Yes, the pattern is coming, but the numbers are not coming properly and all the numbers are coming as 0. Fine. So what we need to do here, we have to specify a condition here. Okay, so check the condition. How we will give? Now the condition is if C means the inner loop. If the inner loop value is mod by 2 and not equal to 0, then see, inner loop starts from 1. So obviously if you divide by 2, it won't be 0. The modulus won't be 0. The remainder won't be 0. But the first is printing 0. First digit is what? First digit in question is what? 0. Always the first digit is 0. So that because of we made here, if C mod 2 not equal to 0, then we have to print what? 0. Otherwise what we need to print? Else we will print 1. So 1 also has to be written within double quote, as it is a character, as it is a string, it is printing. So let's check now how it is working, whether it is working or not. I need 6 rows. So what I did, next C, next R. So and if I forget to write, sorry students, so we have to write here and if. Fine, run the program. See, it is coming properly. 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. It's coming properly. Okay, hope all of you understood this concept. You try to understand, because other things already we learned before. So what this part is saying, now it is just dividing the value of C, that is inner loop, and it is trying to get 0 from there. If it is not 0, it is printing 0, and if it is 0, then it is printing 1. Fine. When we are in first number column or first number row, the number is 1. 1 never will be divisible by 2. So in that case it is printing 0. That's why the beginning is always 0. That's why the beginning is always 0. In question you can check, the beginning is always 0. Suppose student, I will change here the question. The beginning I will make 1. Beginning I will make 1 and later on I will do 0. So how you can do this? 1, 0, 1, 0. This is how the sequence occurs. So in that case, what you need to do the changes? You have to do here what? Only equal 0. If it is 0, then it is 0, otherwise it is 1. Check now. See. Fine. So it is totally up to you how you want, how the question is given. Accordingly you change your logic. Hope all of you understood this concept. Now the next question you check. This is something like this: A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. The pattern has to be printed like this. First line only A, then A, B. Accordingly it will continue, and we can make here dot 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 N. It means it can go as long as you wish to go. Okay, let's go to do the program. This is the drawing, then double click. So here I am declaring the variable dim row, comma, column, comma, N, comma, ch as integer. Fine, everything I took as integer. Fine students, I will explain. Wait. Thereafter what we need to do, n equal to val of text1 dot text. That also okay. Then we have to start the loop for row equal to 1 to n, that is step 1. Then I can copy this, I can print this, paste this. For whom? For row. I need to get the pattern first. After getting the pattern, then I can proceed with other things. I can proceed with the other logics. Fine, this is done. Now what we need to do, as we have to start printing from the value A, and A has a character, A has a ASCII value that's 65. A has a ASCII value that is 65, which I need to write here 65. CH equal to 65. Fine. So when you print here, when you print the value of A, you use the method, use the function, inbuilt function char of ch. Yes, char of ch. It means character of ch. It will convert it into character and it will print it. Give semicolon, give here a blank print. Okay, let's check first how we are getting or not. Suppose we need 5 lines. No, we are not getting. So it is not char, it is chr, students. Now run it, check. I gave 5 and all A is printing. But in our question, it is given that A, B, C, D to be printed. So what is the logic? Inside this logic loop, we need to write ch equal to ch plus 1. So every time it is within the inner loop, the value of the ch will keep increasing. And after the loop get over, the value of ch will start from 65 again. So it means every time it start with a new row, it will start from A. See the question? Every time it start with a new row, it is starting from A. So that's why the program has to be done like this. Fine. Let's run and let's check. Providing 6 line. See, A, B, A, B, C. It is coming very nicely. Okay. Understood. Here we took ch is a number variable, but if you print only ch, then it will print 65. But we don't want to print 65. We want to print what? We want to print A. So that's why the ch function help we are taking. So the chr function, what it is doing now, it is converting the 65 to its respective character. After it convert, then it is, as it is an integer variable, we are doing plus 1. So it is increasing the value of ch, that is from 65 to 66, 66 to 67. It will continue like this, and accordingly our question getting solved and we are getting the result. Okay students, hope all this you understood the nested looping structure.